Looking at the NASDAQ, and I'm going to explain what I'm looking at here. We had this breakout. Now, this stair stepping is subject to interpretation, okay? But I'm just looking at these extreme highs, okay? And most importantly, I feel we got this breakout over here. So I'm just looking to see if we get a signal. A yellow signal would be beautiful. We stay below this green line. A yellow signal would be beautiful right now.
Order filled. Sell signal 1.
Okay, so we got our entry. And I would like to note that just as an observation, I really prefer when the open of the entry candle is right at the trend line or just below it. Kind of similar to this one here. The open is just below it. It's just an observation, and I just thought I'm just trying to mention as many little things as I can that I've noticed from watching thousands of candles form. So just an observation. If you're always looking for that ideal setup and you're not going to take a trade unless, everything is perfect. If that's the type of trader you are, that's an observation that I've made.
Target filled.
Nice. Okay. Got our first target. Nice.
Stop filled.
Nice. Okay, how'd we do? 26 plus 60 plus 57. Nice. 143 ticks. Times $5. Nice. 715. Nice trade. Nice trade. Okay, so what was the fundamentals of this setup? Okay, why did we decide to take this particular entry? Okay, hopefully you were able to see that the NASDAQ was in sideways motion. It was really in consolidation. Okay, so when you got up this morning and you looked at your charts, you can see you have all these resistance levels, all these support levels lining up. That's letting you know, You should be able to train your eyes, practice enough, look at enough charts, and see that this thing is really just moving sideways. Okay? So we went ahead, we identified a support, and we broke through over here. And look how we just had this beautiful straight up retracement, right? Beautiful straight up retracement. You know, I did make an observation that, you know, if you're looking for an all-time perfect setup, this candle right here, look how that open is just below the yellow trend line, or like this guy over here, okay? But things aren't always going to be perfect for us, right? So we had this beautiful retracement. We got our signal. I love the yellow, okay? Yellow and blue. Yellow is my favorite. And we had great follow-through. We just never know if we're going to have any follow-through. That's the problem, right? We don't know what the market's going to give us. But we identified the clues that it was giving us, and we went ahead and took the signal. We have to trust the signals. Okay, guys? Hope that helps. Any questions, send me an email. Always happy to help, okay? Stick with it.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Renko.Kings.